So to reinstall the valve or install a new valve, I will have already taken the time to take my marker and mark the dots on the valve to match up what was on the old one, so that I know which hoses I'm attaching it to. So I'm going to get 3 dots on this connection. I'm going to look for my clamp that I would have marked it with the 3 dots, so I know if that's what lines up, and that would be this one. I'm just going to push that on, take my pliers, squeeze the clamp, bring it up into place. And go for my one with 2 dots, just this one. And by process of elimination, our last hose. Now that all our hoses are on, we can mount it back into the washer. So now I'm just going to install the valve back into the frame. I won't tighten that one up completely till I get the other one in, just to make it easier to line it all up. Tighten that one down, go back and tighten the first one up. Now we're ready to install our wiring harnesses. So again, my wiring harness, like my hoses, are marked as to which valve they go on. Blue with the blue dot, my one black dot, one black dot, my other blue one, my white one, and I've taken the red one off for the red valve as well. Now that that's back in place, just a matter of putting our top on, and our repair will be complete. So now that our parts have been installed, it's just a matter of putting the top back on. We'll put the 2 screws in. We'll put our washer back into place, reconnect the power, and hook up our hoses, and your repair is complete.